Okay guys, 59 you got in the last homework, so let's see whether you've improved on that in the last couple of weeks. 360, 3188, 1392, 85, 853, full marks for the first question. Area is not meters cubed, that's volume. Meters squared would have got you the right mark. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct. BFCG, they're all correct. So total for the page is 12. That's lovely. 99, 20, 52, 51, perfect. Total for the page 11. £40, 9, 22, 10 a.m. Good work, 7 marks. 1.5 meters, 7.5 times 1.5. Seven and a half is not right. And you're not showing me on the page where that 7.5 is coming from. Okay, you need to either say there are 7 and mark 7.5 there. It's actually a bit low. Okay, but the method of what you're doing is okay, but you're going to get the wrong answer. Take a look at my video clip for that one if you like. So 2, 9 for the page. 3, 6, 7, 5, good girl. 29 and 5. Add 3 each time. That's not a word. Half the number every time is good. I'm going to be horrible and I'm going to penalise you for that because it's not in words, but that is all in words, so I'm going to give you that one. 8 marks for the page. Ooh, what have we done here? What have we done here? 0, 0. 12, 0, 0, 4, 12, 4. Right, I think you've misunderstood the question. All the question is asking you for is that point coordinate there is A, that point coordinate there is B, so that one is going to be 12, 4, which is that answer. This one is going to be 0, 8, which is this answer, and C is just that point there. Okay, now that point there is 16 across, but it isn't 14 up, it's 16, because you've got your 4 and your 12 makes 16. So what you have done is you've written down the coordinates of each corner of each of those 3 rectangles. So you've misunderstood the question. I think they'd give you 3 out of 6 for that. Because it's quite easy to see what you've done. That is 32, that is negative 13, and that is 4 and minus 6. Good, well done, well spotted. And that's fabulous as well. Good, perfect methods for those. So total for the page is 12, 5, 8, 10, 12. 25, 92, 65 is good. 126, 81, 105, 48. Perfect, well done. And that's good. So you're going to get your 4 marks for that. 8 for the page. Now, you haven't written down what you've measured that in centimetres to be. Because you haven't done that, I don't know whether you've done the right thing. Okay, so there are 3 marks for that. You were taking a huge gamble just writing down that measurement. Okay, what you needed to do is show me that you measured that to be 7 centimetres. Show me that you divided it by 2 to get that answer. You haven't done any of that. I can't give you those marks. And that's something that we practiced last week. I'll show you. If you didn't have a protractor, it would be a problem, but you just drew me a nice pie chart, so you must have one. The bearing is measured clockwise from north, so you put the cross on A, because we're measuring the bearing from A. North is 0, and you're measuring down to 146. So we go 10, 20, 30, 146 is there. You draw that line in, and then you've got to use your scale for 4 kilometres. Well, 4 kilometres is going to be 8 centimetres down there. Now, because I've shrunk the page, 8 centimetres, oh, excuse me, is down here somewhere. So maybe that's what confused you. Anyway, I'm going to be really hard. I'm not going to give you any marks for that 3 because you haven't shown me the method, and I can't give you any marks for that because you haven't done it. Right, electricity bills. Let's see how you've got on here. You've correctly worked out the difference, but then you've got the units wrong. This is in pence, so you need to multiply that by that in pence, okay? And it isn't going to be £26.77. So your method, you need to change that to 0.1125. Okay, write it in pounds. 11 pence would be 0.11, so 11.25 would be that. Times that by that, and it's a bigger number than that. You've then correctly added your bill and that together. So for that first bit, your method is right, but your answers are both wrong. Then you've found out what 5% of that is, which is correct. And then you've added £2.69, £26.77, £27.14. Now those two are that. So again, it's not helpful what they've done there. You've added those two together. They should have put a thick line there for you to see that adding those two together gives you the 53.91, which you then add your £2.69 onto. This then needs to be taken off it because these are credits. So the balance that out of your total bill, £21.37 comes off, as do all of these 85s. So your second part is wrong. So you're very, very close to getting that all right, but there are so many little slips in there that you're only actually going to get 1 mark for that. .13, yellow and blue, 0.61, 5 marks. 147.84 is perfect, and 8.1 is also correct. 10 for the page. These are called products of prime. Sometimes numbers, sometimes factors. I can't remember what I called it on the website, but it's a really easy method to practice. Have a look on the topic lists. It'll take you no more than 10 minutes to learn how to do that, and it's easy marks. And this, what you've done there is correct, but what you need to be saying is telling me that that is less than 20 and that is more than 20, so the answer, the value of x must be somewhere between. You haven't put all of that in, so although what you've written is perfect, there's no evidence that you're explaining what to do. Okay, so you just need to say this is less than 20, this is more than 20, so x must be somewhere between those two. This is a nasty question. Have a look at how I've explained that on the video clip. No marks on that back page. Okay then, Carys, so let's see how you've got on this time. 12, 23, 30, start again, 12, 23, 32, 40, 52, 60, 61, 71. That's a grade C. Good girl. How does that compare to the last time? 59 last time, 71 this time. Well done. Really pleased with that. You're really moving in the right direction.